welcome to this new video. Today I'm out at some rapeseed fields and I want to photograph some animals, so deer, birds, rabbits maybe also, in a rapeseed field. It's very nice. So I've never done that before, only with fox, but it was not a nice picture. And I think we can start. So I actually saw and photographed a fox here, like right in this field here. And it was just a very beautiful moment. So it was like here at this point, and it was walking like in this direction, and it was just a beautiful moment. So and I'm not best camouflaged, what you see. So it was just a nice experience. And maybe we see another one. So 2 days ago I photographed a fox, and today I'm at a rapeseed field, which you maybe see, and it's very nice. So we do some rapeseed photography today, and maybe we see some deers, hares, or like foxes or something. That would be very nice, but maybe also some birds. And I'm like a bit camouflaged, so only like my trousers. And here's some birds, and I think we walk like in this direction, so maybe we see some foxes or something at the side of the field. And I think I don't record it because I'm very loud for the animals. And then we see us. So we are at the end of the video, and 3 days ago was the Earth Day, and I want to say a quote of a person that I really like is Jane Goodall, and she said, "You cannot get through a single day without an impact on the world around you. What you do make a difference, and you have to decide what kind of difference you want to make." And I like this quote because it says that people can decide for themselves what kind of difference they want to make. And I think each of us can do something to make the planet a better place. And whether it's planting trees, feeding birds, or something similar, you can make the world a better place right now.